To type on a path in Photoshop, first we need a shape. So you can draw your own custom shape, but we're going to grab the ellipse tool. Let's give it a black fill and we'll leave the stroke set to none. Right, let's drag out our ellipse and we can hold Shift to make it a perfect circle. And if we press Command or Control A, we can select the entire canvas and then use the align options at the top to center this in the middle. Now let's press T for the type tool, hover over the edge of the shape and we can see the cursor change, and then just click and it will add some placeholder text and we can now type our own words. In this case, now from the properties panel, we can adjust all of the font properties. And let's actually type something that's less nonsensical. There we go, much better. And if you would like to check out my full Photoshop course, I've got a link in the description. Anyway, let's finish adjusting these properties and we'll center align the text. And then what we can do is duplicate this layer with Command or Control J, Command or Control T for free transform. And if we rotate this 180 degrees and move it up, we've now got some text along the top that is also editable. Now we can also hide the original shape or we can go and adjust those properties. So let's go and add a stroke. I think we'll change it to black. We'll set the fill color to none. And then again, we can go into free transform and we can adjust the size and we could scale it down, for example, or scale it up, whatever takes your fancy.